Hi, I'm Frank Jimenez with the BUILDERALL team. In this video, you will learn how you can add blog elements to a non-blog page. So here's a website I created in a series of videos that walk you through on how to first go into Blog MVP and create and configure your first blog. Second, how to go in and connect the blog we created to the Cheetah website. Third, we went in and configured both the blog feed page and then on another video, the blog post page. Now, we're going to jump into our home page, which is a non-blog page, and spice it up with an element that we used inside our blog feed page. Let's get started. Now here we are on my home page of my website named My First Blog Ever. Now just like any other normal website, you can go in and add all of your content. But what is super cool about a non-blog page is you can also go down and include a portion of your blog by adding a simple post. So for this example, what we did was we went to add elements, and then I went down to blog featured. I dragged this one right here inside, and then I went to configure it. So here you can go in and select the theme. You can format the date on how you want it displayed. You can go in and select the resource components that you want displayed. And then down here, you can go in and select the blog post you would like to feature. Then select Save, and there you go. So let's go up to the very top, and let's go look at this page live. So here we are on a home page, and then down here, on a non-blog home page, I've inserted a blog element that is connected to this actual website. Now because I already have a blog connected to this actual website, that is how I am able to go in and add blog elements to a non-blog page. If I then click on this post, it will take me directly to the actual post. And that is how you add blog elements to a non-blog page. I hope you found the content in this video helpful. Until next time, I'm Frank Jimenez with the BUILDERALL team.